Hello, everybody. Today we're going to do another audit on Ac Hampton. I tried drop shipping with only $4. Okay. I've been auditing people and auditing business for over 35 years. The numbers they give you never are the real one. His $4 is not $4 is what he gets, but we'll go ahead and we'll listen to the video a little bit and then I'll get into the audit.
And over the next 7 days, I'm going to use these $4 to see if I can start, build, and scale a profitable dropshipping store from scratch. And I have one goal in mind. Can I turn this $4 into $100? Now, why would I do this? I mean, I've been dropshipping for over 10 years. I've generated over $10 million in sales for myself, over $50 million in sales for my students, and I've coached hundreds of people of starting a profitable online business. So who isn't up for a new challenge? So right from the
Yeah. Understand drop shipping is a real thing. This video gets a D, and the reason why it gets a D is because it is an actual viable idea. Okay, so let's get into the audit. Okay, so obviously we know where he gets a D. The title says $4. Okay, his own video says $50 if you watch it. Same video, same guy, 12 minutes apart. So he changes his numbers. Okay. So here, let's break it down. Let's get into this thing and I'll tell you, okay? I got to give credit first where it's due. Shopify is the real deal. Drop shipping is a real deal, okay? The $1 a month for 3 months is verified. So yeah, Shopify's got that deal. He does have the Cardi B connection is real too. She actually promotes the viral Korean lifting cream. He didn't invent that. So there's something you got to pay attention to. Drop shipping is real is the thing. We understand that, okay? He also admits on camera the $2 campaign failed. The organic beat his ads. That's more honest than most, okay? So he does give a little bit of credit, so I will give him that. Most of his videos, he doesn't own up or confess to anything. He usually just tries to sell you a bunch of crap. So here's the kill, okay? The $4, that becomes $52. Okay, here's what it breaks it down. $2 ads plus $1 Shopify plus a 99-cent domain name. That's the $4. We get that. Okay. The $2 campaign barely even spent is dead. Okay. He raises it to $15 a day, kills that on Thursday. Friday midnight, a new campaign, $25 budget. Okay. Then I pushed a little bit more budget and then it's at least $50 a day. Okay. His own closing numbers. We spent little less than $50 on ads. Okay. The $4 challenge, roughly $52 deployed, 13 times the title. So basically, there is no $4 challenge. He blows that out already and he doesn't tell you that. He just hopes you don't get it. Okay. Here's where the numbers don't add up. All right. He gives the revenue just over $200. He gives the ad spend just under $50. He never says a profit in the whole video. Okay. Never does in any of his videos. Run your own figures. $4, 4 orders at $50. That's $200. Okay. Product costs $9.29 equals $37. Ads, $50. Store domain, $2. Okay. Net roughly $111 is never stated once. That's what he should have said he made. Okay. Okay. Add on the sale of his products, the $50 revenue against the $50 in ad spend before the $9.29 cost. The paid side, he's teaching lost money. All 3 profitable sales came from free posts. Okay. So he didn't get anything from his ads at all. Okay. The exact same, here's the thing. His words, he sourced the exact same cream for $9.29 that comes from stores at $50. A viable product with Cardi B name attached, then renamed it Lumaware with his brand from GTP that he invented. Who, by the way, is using chat still. Really? Unless you're doing images, chat is, I wouldn't do that at all. Either it's not the same cream or it's a claim is false. So there we go. Another one of his misleading deals. Or it's the same cream and he's selling someone's brand product under a made-up name, both doors leads to a fault. It just fails. It doesn't add up. Okay. Here's this thing. This is where I always get, copy the competitor. Okay. His instructions verbatim. Sprint, go to the top selling store to take the headers, their headlines, their product description, feed it into ChatGTP and rebuild it. He teaches beginners to lift a working store page. His defense is don't reinvent the wheel. The wheel belongs to somebody. Yeah, I get it. Business, you can copy people unless they've got some protection on it. Yeah, I get it. You want to copy, you want to do that. I get that. That makes sense. So give him that. So then, okay, the math he's selling. Here's where it gets good. Okay. Less than $50 in ad spend to bring over 200 revenue back. His own count 60 seconds earlier, 3 to 4 sales were organic. The ads brought $50 back on $50 spent. So he didn't make anything off the stats. The sentence attributes organic revenue as paid ad. That's where he made it. Yeah. Okay. So, which is good. I mean, if you get from organic ads instead of paying for ads, that's good. Credentials, they carry the results. 10 years of dropshipping, 10 million in personal sales, a team that does the product research monthly and Facebook page. We got 3 organic sales in 5 days with 0 followers. The beginner brand new page with 14 scheduled posts does not do that. Okay. The $4 method quietly requires you need to have 10 years of experience and know what to do. So here's what you need to understand. The whole thing, this is basically just a funnel. It's just another sales funnel. The description carries the real business, coaching application, a Blueprint 6.0 course, Launchpad program, a free chat sheet, that's free coaching funnel, plus affiliate links for the store builder, the domain, AutoDS, Shopify, Ecom Boss, Team Drop, and 2 credit card offers. Paid Malil segment sitting in the middle of the challenge. Count it. The challenge made him maybe $111. The description is where the actual money is. Yeah, he's dragging you into his funnel. Okay. So, the model is real. We understand that. The math isn't. If a 10-year veteran with a team needed $52 and still got $3 of his sales for free, the title isn't a budget, it's a hook. That's where they're trying to get you to hook in. Okay. So another video from Ac Hampton. He has never gotten anything higher than a D. The idea is real. Just his expectations and concept and time to get your money is not. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to making the next video for you guys. Watch out for AC. Do your due diligence, everybody.